Your time is valuable, so FARO Blitz ensures your ability to rapidly create a scene. We're going to show you how to build an indoor crime scene from scratch. You'll see how to create walls with Structure Genius, add doors and windows, set coordinate systems and points, and add symbols, labels, and report legends. This crime scene can be built in minutes. Let me show you how. Click the polyline drop-down arrow and select Structure Genius. Click Ortho-Lock to enforce right angles. Notice that as you draw your wall, measurements display. That's because Show Dimensions is checked. Draw your exterior walls to your specific measurements. See how we stopped short of completing the last wall when we right-clicked and selected Finish Drawing? That's because we get a more accurate closure by clicking Close. Interior walls can be drawn next by pressing the spacebar, which always reloads the last command you used. Draw your internal wall and press Escape to End or right-click and click Finish Draw. Press spacebar again to draw the next wall. Insert doors by selecting a wall, clicking Add Door, and click the wall again to place. Use grips to expand the door, move the door, or change the swing of the door. Windows are handled the same way. Select a wall, click Add Window, and place and position the window. For a cleaner view of your structure, you can remove the dimension indicators by selecting a wall and deselecting Show Dimensions. You've no doubt taken measurements at the crime scene, so let's click Coordinate Log and then place it in the scene with another click. Now, enter your measurements in the coordinates chart. By the way, use negative numbers for south and west coordinates. The description you enter will display in the scene, as will the point. Click anywhere in the scene to close the log. Now you're ready to add symbols to the scene from the Drawing Tools tab. Let's start with report legends such as a north arrow and a scale bar. To add labels to a scene, click the Text command. The moment you place it in the scene, a text window displays. Enter your label, adjust size and font, and click Done. Use the Properties panel to make additional adjustments. Click Show Leader Arrow to add an indicator arrow. It seems we should insert a body now. Click the scene to deselect the object, and then click the Gudgeon on the Common Symbols panel. Place it in the scene and use the grips to pose it. Make any adjustments to labels and add back the dimensions you want until the desired scene emerges. That leaves us with a completed crime scene diagram in the span of a few minutes. Thank you for joining us.